In the heart of every biscuit lies a story of precision, passion, and innovation. Introducing the Digital Twins by VB Group, a revolutionary leap in digital manufacturing technology. With our digital twin, you can emulate, simulate, and optimize every step of the production process, identifying inefficiencies and unlocking potential. Experience the power of real-time data integration, where every scenario is tested without disrupting actual operations. Our digital twin has transformed the way you manufacture, ensuring quality, efficiency, and sustainability. Our innovative digital twin technology has revolutionized the way we calculate optimal process times for baking conveyors. By precisely adjusting conveyor speed, oven temperature, and load capacity, we can fine-tune bake times for every biscuit type. This cutting-edge optimization leads to enhanced energy efficiency, minimized waste, and consistently superior product quality across all production runs. Our technology evaluates performance against both current and projected demand, ensuring your operations are always a step ahead. By analyzing throughput and pinpointing performance gaps, we guarantee that your sorting machines can efficiently meet peak demand. This cutting-edge technology enables precise calculation of output for every machine involved, allowing the factory to maximize daily production capacity while reducing operational costs. Furthermore, the digital twin empowers us to accurately determine the daily output of the entire production unit. By meticulously analyzing throughput at every stage, from mixing to packaging, this strategic approach enables the factory to maximize daily production capacity while significantly reducing operational costs. Join us in shaping the future of manufacturing. Discover the possibilities with VB Group's digital twin technology.